and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video we are going to talk about make one right, make one left, and make one. Make one right is simply a make one that slants right. Make one left is a make one that slants left. And a simple make one does not slant left or right, but it does leave a hole. Alright, let's get started. First, I'll just knit my first 2 stitches. Then to get started with our make ones. So all of the make ones use this bar that is located between the 2 stitches that you are working. For this reason, a make one cannot happen on either end of the work. It must happen between 2 stitches. So you see that? There's a bar right here between our stitches. So for a make one, we take that bar, we wrap it around the needle from front to back so that the cross is in the front and there's more of a gap in the back. Then take your right hand needle, insert it from the bottom into that stitch, just as if you were to knit it. Wrap your yarn around like a knit and slide that stitch off. So there we have created a make one right stitch using the bar between our 2 stitches. Go ahead and knit one, and I'll demonstrate that once more. So take the yarn, wrap it from front to back around the knitting needle. Insert your right needle and just work that as a knit stitch. And I'll knit one more. Alright, now for a make one left. We take that bar and we wrap it from back to front around the knitting needle. That means we have more of a gap in the front and it's a little tighter where that crosses in the back. Now, we work this as if we were to knit through the back loop. That means that we take our right hand needle, go from top to bottom into that loop, wrap our yarn around our right needle, take the needle out, and slip the stitch off. So again, we've created a make one left. I'll knit one more, demonstrate one more make left, wrap from back to front, and just knit through the back loop. I'll knit one. And then a make one, the way that I use a simple make one in my knitting patterns is just picking up this bar, wrapping it from back to front, and just knitting that stitch. So as you can see, we've created a hole. I use this as an increase that uses a decorative eyelet look along like the spine of a shawl. So I'll knit one and I will demonstrate that again. Pick up your bar, wrap it from back to front, and just knit that stitch. I'll knit one more. Now back to a make one right. We wrap that from front to back and knit that stitch. I'll knit one more and one more make left. Wrap from back to front and knit through the back loop. There you go. That is the make one right, make one left, and make one. These are simple ways to increase stitches in your pattern, and the one that you will choose will depend on whether you want your stitches to slant to the right, to the left, or if you're wanting to just create a hole, similar to the idea of a yarn over. If you have any questions, go ahead and go back and replay this at a slower speed. Leave a comment down below. If you like this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell if you'd like notifications when we upload new knitting tutorials, and I hope to see you very soon. Happy knitting!